Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Amir and I talk about data, cloud, and machines. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be sharing a lot of videos that will help you to become a data scientist or take your data science skills to the next level.
This video, I'm going to show you how to open an AWS account. So go to aws.amazon.com and click on the orange box on the top right. This will take you to the sign up page. I'm just going to put in my email. And then you need to choose an account's name. It can be anything that you prefer, and you can change that name anytime you want. Amir Chari, and then verify email address. Now a verification code has been sent to my email. 29254, verify. Yeah, it's your email. Now you need to set a password. Okay, now that I have set a password, I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the blanks. It's going to be used for personal purposes. Now I need to provide a credit or debit card number. So essentially what AWS says, we will not charge you for usage below AWS Free Tier limits. We may temporarily hold up $1 or an equivalent amount in local currency as a pending transaction for 3 to 5 days to verify your identity. Verify and continue, and confirming my identity. So I'm based out of Australia. It will send me an SMS for verification. 1634, continue. So at this point, you need to select a support plan. This essentially means how much support you can get from AWS. 6 support free plan, you will get 24/7 self-service access to AWS resources for account and billing issues only, access to personal health dashboard and trusted advisor. But if you need a higher support level, you can go to developer support, $29 a month, and it's recommended for developers experimenting with AWS. You can have email access to AWS support during business hours and 12 business hour response times. And if you are a business owner, you can go to business support, which is $100 per month. It is recommended for running production workloads on AWS. So if you're just doing a basic, let me look around, or you're just in development, this is not recommended because it's quite costly. This is only recommended if you're doing a business case on AWS. So you've got 24/7 tech support via email, phone, and chat, 1 hour response times, and a full set of trusted advisor best practice recommendations. So once I have chosen basic support, you can always upgrade later. But for now, I'm just going to go with basic support. Complete sign up. Congratulations. Thank you for signing up with AWS. We're activating your account, which should take a few minutes. You will receive an email when this is complete. Go to the AWS Management Console. Click on that. You are going to be signing in as a root user because that's what you signed up for. The first time you create an account with AWS as a root user, you are the root user and you are the admin, and the other users will be generated by the root user. So root user has all administrator rights to create users, delete users, create groups, and all that. This is my email that I used for creating the root user. Go ahead. Now input your password. After you put that in, submit, it will take you to your AWS console. So this is the new AWS console as of May 2022. It might change because they keep changing it, but this is how it looks like right now. So if you wanted to go to the new view, you can. And if you want to go to the old one, you can just select maybe later. I'm going to go to the new console and it's going to give me a tour around. You can access all AWS services here. Then next over here, choose your preferred language, set a default region, and manage other console settings within your account from here. Beautiful. So I already know what to do. If I needed to change my password and all that, I can come to the top right. And if I wanted to see a list of services, I can go to the top left. If you like this video, hit the like button and also subscribe for more content coming your way. In this channel, I'm planning to produce multiple series of carefully planned videos on data science, cloud, and machine learning. Stay tuned.